Rome Virtual Tour, the Colosseum and Vatican City. Introduction. Discover Rome's timeless wonders. Welcome to Rome, the eternal city, where ancient history meets modern allure. In this virtual journey, we'll explore two of the most iconic landmarks that define this incredible metropolis, the Colosseum and Vatican City. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and cultural significance, Rome has been a source of inspiration for centuries. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a globetrotter, or simply curious about this remarkable city, get ready to experience Rome like never before. The Colosseum, Rome's majestic amphitheater. Our journey begins with the Colosseum, a marvel of ancient engineering and one of the most recognizable symbols of Rome. Constructed under Emperor Vespasian around 70 to 80 AD, this massive amphitheater stands as a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. Architectural brilliance. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, could accommodate over 50,000 spectators. Its oval structure features 4 levels of arches and columns, each showcasing different architectural styles: Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. The intricate network of underground tunnels, or hypogeum, reveals the ingenuity behind the spectacles held here. These tunnels housed gladiators, wild animals, and stage machinery, all contributing to the grandeur of the events. The gladiatorial games. Imagine the atmosphere as you step into the Colosseum's arena. The air buzzes with excitement as thousands of spectators gather to watch gladiators battle for glory. The games often included dramatic reenactments of famous battles and exotic animal hunts, offering entertainment that was both thrilling and brutal. For the Romans, these spectacles were more than mere entertainment. They were a display of power, discipline, and the empire's reach. A modern icon. Though partially in ruins due to earthquakes and stone looting, the Colosseum remains a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited attractions in the world. As you explore its ancient corridors, you're transported back in time, walking in the footsteps of emperors and citizens who once filled these walls with life and energy. Vatican City, the spiritual heart of Rome. Leaving the Colosseum, we journey to Vatican City, an independent city-state within Rome and the epicenter of the Roman Catholic Church. Despite its small size, Vatican City holds immense spiritual, historical, and cultural significance. St. Peter's Basilica. Our first stop is St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest and most beautiful churches in the world. As you approach, Bernini's magnificent colonnade welcomes you into St. Peter's Square, a place that has witnessed countless historical events. Inside the basilica, the grandeur of Michelangelo's dome and the breathtaking Pietà sculpture leave visitors in awe. Climbing to the top of the dome rewards you with panoramic views of Rome, a sight that truly encapsulates the city's beauty. The Vatican Museums. A treasure trove of art and history, the Vatican Museums house some of the most celebrated works in the world. From the Raphael rooms to the Gallery of Maps, every corner reveals masterpieces that have shaped human history. The highlight, of course, is the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes, including the iconic creation of Adam, grace the ceiling. Standing beneath these works, you can't help but marvel at the skill and vision of the artists who created them. The legacy of Vatican City. As the seat of the Pope and a global pilgrimage site, Vatican City's influence extends far beyond its borders. It's a place where faith, history, and art converge, offering visitors a profound sense of connection to the past and the divine. Exploring Rome beyond the icons. While the Colosseum and Vatican City are highlights, Rome's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend ancient history with vibrant modern life. Let's explore some of the city's other treasures. The Trevi Fountain. A short walk from the historic center brings you to the Trevi Fountain, a masterpiece of Baroque art. Designed by Nicola Salvi, this iconic fountain features statues symbolizing the taming of the waters. Tradition dictates tossing a coin into the fountain to ensure your return to Rome. As the water glistens under the sun or twinkles in the moonlight, the Trevi Fountain remains a symbol of romance and hope. Piazza Navona. Built on the site of an ancient Roman stadium, Piazza Navona is a lively square filled with street performers, cafes, and fountains. The centerpiece is Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers, representing the Nile, Ganges, Danube, and Rio de la Plata. The piazza's festive atmosphere invites you to sit back, enjoy a gelato, and soak in the spirit of Rome. The Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. For a deeper dive into Rome's ancient past, visit the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Once the heart of political and social life, the Forum's ruins include temples, basilicas, and arches that tell the story of Rome's rise and fall. Climbing Palatine Hill offers stunning views of the Forum and the city beyond, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Modern Rome, a city of contrasts. Rome isn't just about its ancient heritage, it's a vibrant metropolis where tradition and modernity coexist. From bustling markets to chic boutiques, the city offers a dynamic lifestyle that appeals to both locals and visitors. Trastevere. This charming neighborhood is a favorite for its cobblestone streets, ivy-covered buildings, and bohemian vibe. Trastevere's narrow alleys are lined with trattorias serving authentic Roman cuisine, from carbonara to cacio e pepe. At night, the area comes alive with music, laughter, and the aroma of Italian delicacies. Campo de' Fiori. By day, Campo de' Fiori is a bustling market where locals shop for fresh produce, flowers, and spices. By night, it transforms into a lively square filled with restaurants and bars. Whether you're enjoying a glass of wine or simply people-watching, Campo de' Fiori captures the essence of Roman life. Street photography and urban exploration. For photography enthusiasts, Rome's streets offer endless inspiration. From the vibrant murals of Trastevere to the grand facades of historic buildings, every corner tells a story. Capture the hustle and bustle of Roman markets, the serene beauty of its churches, or the dramatic interplay of light and shadow in its narrow alleys. Conclusion: a journey to remember. As the sun sets over Rome, the city's golden rooftops and ancient monuments glow in the fading light. This virtual tour of the Colosseum and Vatican City has given us a glimpse into the heart of the Eternal City, a place where history, art, and culture come together in harmony. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Whether you're planning your next trip or exploring from home, Rome offers endless opportunities for discovery and inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more virtual tours and documentaries. Until next time, arrivederci.